everyone. Today is a shining day, but the temperature makes us very comfortable. So here, our company has an e-bike for you. Can you see this e-bike here? Yes, it's a very good shape. Do you think it? And look at the frame. It is the first important. We have the patent for our frame. It is made by aluminum frame. And for the another point is we can see the motor. It is with 715 watts, and the battery is with 4840. Yes, and you can see our brake. It is the disc brake. It has a very effection for the brake. You see, I let you see the effection. So how do you think about it? Very perfect, right? And now we have for another next point is the tire. The logo is Tender Tire, an international brand for the tire, so the quality is very good. And we can see another component. You use the derailleur. It's a very important. Shimano derailleur. You know Shimano, right? I think you must know it. And we have the waterproof paper for the quick release. If you want to change your motor or the controller, it's very convenient to do it. So it's also upgrade options. And also you can see here we have a smart LCD display. We have the five speeds. You can adjust it. Anything about others is of the front light. The front light is also upgraded because we have a USB connector here, so you can charge for your phone. So it's also very reasonable, right? So how does it ride? We can ride it now. It's very cool. Oh, the speed is very fast, and you can adjust it by yourself. Slow or fast, you can choose it. So it's a very cool e-bike. So just buy it, okay? Bye.